Today I'm working on a project. I'm getting some roosts put into our new coop behind me here, right there, and it's quite chilly today. It's like right now it's like 33 degrees, so we're just above freezing. So excuse my red face and clumsy fingers, but so let's get started. I got these 2x4s going across the wall here. It's a little bit taller than me, almost 6 foot tall, maybe a little more. That's about the top of the roost system is going to be. So I'm going to show you here in just a moment. We cut this 2x4 on an angle, and then we took off the tip. This way it's easy, it will go up and not catch itself or split the 2x4. That's the idea anyway. So this is the idea of cutting it this way. So we have a gate hinge here. There, now you can see it. So this is the gate hinge I'm using. So the idea that we're doing is we're attaching it there, and then we're going to attach this part on top of this 2x4 right here. This is the idea. So the pulley system is going to be attached to the bottom of the 2x4. Which in return, I can pull it up like so. That's the plan. We're getting ready to do the actual roost where where the birds are actually going to sit and sleep at night. So we have it set up in such a way, we're going to be using these heavy duty eyelets or hooks. They call them hooks. Screw eyes. We're going to be using these to attach to the 2x4 and to the ceiling. So these are the heavy duty ones. They're not small by no means. So we'll have those. And then we're going to have these pulleys. So the pulleys are on carabiners or clips, whatever you want to call them. So it's a clip. So I can get it to do this with my fingers being frozen. That's the idea. So if we ever have to take the system down, it just makes it easier and puts less stress on the pulley itself. Then we're going to use some paracord for the rope part. So we're going to be using this rope here. My puppy decided she was going to use it as a chew toy. Gotta love dogs. So this is what I'm using. So it's a 30-pound test. But that's what I'm going to use to pull these roosts up and out of the way, and then put them down when I'm done. Now you're going to see it go by really quick. But I'm going to be measuring these next pieces to get the top roost and the bottom roost put on to frame it up so we can test the pulley system. So I'll see you when I get done with that.
Alright, so I wanted to add in while I'm building here the roosting space per bird. So the general rule of thumb was 6 inches to 10 inches per bird on the roost. So 6 inches for smaller birds, generally under 5 pounds, and then 8 inches for medium to large birds, around 6 to 8 pounds, and then 10 inches for extra large birds, they're 8 pounds plus. So the estimate we're doing here is for 100 birds. So 100 birds, and most of my birds are about 6 to 8 pounds, so I'm going by 8 inches. So 8 inches times 100 birds equals 800 inches. Then you divide that by 12 inches, which will give you 66.6 for feeding. So I rounded to 67 feet. And then I'm going to divide that by 12 again, but this is for 12 foot. And that's going to give me 5.58 roughly. So 6 roost bars at 12 foot long. So 6 sets of roosts that are 12 foot long. But because of the way the roost system is, I have to cut it in half. So it's 6 foot sections, and there's 6 roost bars at 6 foot long. Okay, so I know that's a lot of math, but I just wanted to throw that tidbit in there.
Alright, so we got a pulley here on a carabiner. So we got the carabiner and pulley. I'm going to clip that to the eyelet I just installed on the bottom here. So, this. All right, there's that. So now I got the pulley system put together enough to test it. Are you guys ready? Cross your fingers. Here we go. So I just want to show you how it functions. They're kind of heavy, but that's all right. This is only to when I have to clean. So they'll come up to clean, then come down when I'm done, or when not needed. So just to give you a little demonstration, here you go. So we got the first set. So, project finished. Check that off the list. So I hope to see you guys again soon. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook as well. And